The wet season continues and it's been especially wet, especially across Guyana. 75 millimeters seen in Georgetown. Meanwhile, there's a tropical storm Rina. Yes, so we have a newest storm well out there, out to sea, posing no threat to land, but it is racing northwards, skirting around the area of high pressure and heading for the North Atlantic. That basically takes a number of named storms that we have, with the hurricanes now 10, as we've seen over the last few months, and with the 6 major hurricanes, which means we've had more than the double we usually have in terms of the number of major systems. But out towards the Atlantic, they're further out into the east. There's not much happening out there. Out towards the Africa coastline, down towards Trinidad and Tobago, and indeed for the Guyanas, basically we are set to see a drying trend. So therefore the sunshine will actually be coming out in full force for many parts of Tobago, despite a few clouds around, just occasional showers. Overall, it will feel also quite warm, especially during the heat of the afternoon. Down towards Trinidad, a few scattered showers are still likely along the south coast, but you will definitely see a lot more in terms of clearer skies overnight. That will lead to a lot more sunshine through the day. So mostly sunny start across Sintoko, up towards the Blantyre Shares. A few clouds are likely along the foothills of the northern range. Usual couple of showers through mid-morning and then into the middle of the afternoon. But overall, any chance of a heavier shower should definitely be less as we get towards the afternoon, with occasional showers for southern areas of Trinidad as well, down along Moruga, pushing into San Fernando. But also here, you'll see a lot of brightness to come. Now, under the clearing skies, it will feel quite cool. 23 degrees Celsius set for Trinidad, 25 in Tobago. Looking at Tobago through the days ahead, 32 degrees Celsius for the rest of the week as well. For Trinidad, 33 is likely. So a warm few days ahead of you through Friday as well as into Saturday. And obviously this trend is all courtesy of that ridge of high pressure building and a lot of dry air in the atmosphere. Now, for those heading to the beaches, just looking at 1.5 meters for the most part. Now, this massive cloud here continues to plague Dominican Republic and Haiti. A lot more showers expected out of this. You can pick out those oranges there. Those are the more intense showers, longer spells of rain, and some thunder showers as well. And that will continue, especially for Santo Domingo. Some thunderclouds there, only managing 30 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, it will be a brighter and sunnier 32 likely in Kingston, but a misty start and 30 degrees Celsius in Havana. Now, many of the Eastern Caribbean islands will be emerging out of the sunshine, but unfortunately, the cloudiness will still be hanging around the northern Leeward Islands. But once you get into Dominica as well as St. Lucia, brightness does appear, 32 likely in Castries, as well as in Bridgetown, with just a brief shower too there. And for St. George's in the Grenada, brisk shower, 31 degrees Celsius. But notice Georgetown, quite cool, only managing 26, maybe struggling to 27 under those rainy skies. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.